Come test drive the 2020 Lincoln Navigator. The Lincoln Navigator offers over 100 cubic feet of cargo space, 3 rows of seating for up to 8 passengers, and best-in-class legroom. This luxury SUV is powerfully persuasive. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, power retractable running boards, tow hitch, electronic parking brake, electronic stability control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.